Hey guys, this is Michael with DEKit. Today I'm going to cover the process for getting a deck installed from A to Z. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do when you decide that you want decking in your boat is reach out to the newest dealer. You can go on DEKit.com, look at your locator, find out which dealer is nearest to you, make contact with them, and about probably less than a day, somebody's going to reach out to you. When they reach out to you, they're going to call you. They're going to ask you what kind of boat you have, what you're looking to deck, and answer any questions you have about the product, go over the warranty with you, and kind of what DEKit does for you and what you want out of DEKit. Every single boat is different, so we're not able to just give you a cookie cutter price, but we will give you a ballpark, and then we'll come out, we'll scan the boat. The importance of us actually coming out there and scanning is that you're going to get an exact fit. You know, you're going to have different pieces and components on your boat than somebody else's boat, so it's important that we come out, we scan every single boat. So once we schedule a date to come out and actually scan your boat, we're going to go over with you design options. We have a wide array of color options and designs. I mean, if you think about it, we can do it. Once we get a full color proof, which this is where it really separates us from the competition, you're going to see pretty much exactly how the deck of your boat looks. Once you get that approved, we'll send that to production. This is all manufactured in the United States. Whether your boat is at a house, marina, a local dealership, we're going to schedule that with you at your convenience. Deck laying can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, from a day to a day and a half, depending on the size of the boat. So the final part of the process is super simple. Just enjoy the deck. Whether you're fishing, you're cruising, you're just hanging out with your family, we want you to enjoy your product. If you have any questions, reach out to the DEKit community or contact your local dealer. We're here for you and we hope you enjoy your product.